Hello and welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Government Job Alert. So friends, in today's video, I have a great news for all of you that Indian government released recruitment notification of huge vacancies in ALIMCO department. Yes friends, in today's video, I am talking about the new recruitment which is rolled out in the ALIMCO, means Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India department. So the new official recruitment notification of 2023 has been released this year. Friends, the recruitment of ALIMCO department can be applied from all over India, so the candidates who are interested to join ALIMCO department can apply for this job from all over India. Friends, if you are from any state or district, you can apply directly for this job. Male and female both candidates can apply for this vacancy. Application for this vacancy have started and its deadline or the last date to apply for this job is 10th July 2023. So if you want to apply for this job, then you have to apply before 10th July 2023. So friends, in today's video, we have brought information about huge recruitments in ALIMCO department for all of you, which is direct recruitment without any examination. Friends, if we talk about qualification required to apply for this post, then you are required to pass graduate certificate from a government recognized ITI in painter trade. If we talk about salary, then it's 20,000 to 30,832 rupees will be given per month. Let us give you all other information directly through the official website. Notification has come from the ALIMCO department. Friends, if we talk about the post, then there is painter and many positions available. And apart from this, if we talk about the number of posts, then these recruitments have come out for a total of 33 posts. The important date of this recruitment will be from 27 June to 10 July 2023. So you can apply till 12 o'clock in the night of 10 July 2023. You can apply from anywhere of India for this job. There is limit to apply for this job is minimum 21 years and maximum 45 years. Friends, the application fee for this job is 100 rupees for general EWS and OBC candidates, which will have to be paid through online or demand drafts. SC/ST female candidates and ex-servicemen are exempted. Selection process of recruitment of ALIMCO department are written exam test, physical standard test, physical efficiency test, document verification, or will be done through medical examination. Eligible candidates who are interested can apply online by visiting the official website of ALIMCO department portal between from 27 June to 10 July 2023. So friends, if you like the information given by us, then like the video, share it with your friends as much as possible so that they also get information and can updates of information related to daily government job. For getting more information like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the subscription bell so that you can get the notification of next video first.